Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube part 6 tutorial. So if you want the links for the previous parts, I'll be giving them in the description. So please go check them out. And now let's get right into the video. So in this tutorial, I thought of teaching you the last layer, but the last layer is a very big procedure and it has totally 4 steps in it. And so in this tutorial, I'll be teaching you the first 2 steps, and the next tutorial, I'll be teaching you the next 2 steps. So the first step is to solve the yellow cross. So after solving the yellow cross, the cube will look like this. Yellow cross is the procedure to solve the yellow edges, which means the yellow edge should face the top like this. The next step is to permutate the corners. For example, if you see this corner can be told to be in the perfect position, because if you rotate the corner, you can see that it's like this. So it's the procedure to keep the corner in the right position. The third step is to solve the yellow corners, so the yellow color faces up like this. So the next step is to solve these edges, and after solving these edges you can finish the cube. And now let's get into learning the first 2 steps in the last layer. Now I have scrambled the cube. As said before, the first step in the last layer is the yellow cross. To solve the yellow cross, there are totally 3 cases which I will be showing now. The first simple case is called the line, which looks like this. You should not bother about the corners, because this first step is to solve the yellow edges, so as they will face the top. In this, 2 edges are solved. As you can see here, these 2 are facing top and these 2 are opposite, so this forms the line. So to bring this as a yellow cross like this, you have to hold this line horizontal on the top like this, horizontal, and now do an F move and the right alg and an F prime, and now you have solved the yellow cross. The second case is called the L shape. So it's called an L shape because it's like this. 2 edges are already solved, but this time these are adjacent, these are not opposite. These 2 are adjacent. So to solve this, these 2 edges should be like this, which is one edge should be facing you and the other should be facing on the right, like this. And now do the same one, F, right alg, F prime. And now you have seen that you have come to the same line, and it's again the same. You have to keep this horizontal, do an F move, right alg, F prime. The last case is the dot case, which looks like this. No edges are solved, no edges are facing on the top. There is only the center. Do not bother about the corners. So for this, hold the cube however you want, but the yellow face should be on the top. You can hold it like this, like this, like this, or like this. You can hold it however you want, but the yellow face should be on the top. And now do the same, F, right alg, F prime. And now we have seen that we have come to the L-shaped case. And as I said before, hold one edge facing you towards you, hold the other edge facing on the right, and do the F move, right alg and the F prime, and again you have come to the line shape. Keep it horizontal, F, right alg, F prime. So that's it. You have now learned to solve the yellow cross. Now let's get into learning the second step in the last layer, which is permutating the corners. After permutating the corners, the cube seems to look same, but when you clearly observe that, for example, if you take this corner, yellow, green and orange, it's correctly positioned, because you can say that it is in the place where the yellow, green and orange centers meet together. So this is what we are going to do now. We are going to make sure that all the corners in the top layer meet together just like this corner. So first, to do so, pick 2 common colors in the corners on the top layer. What I mean to say is, pick 2 adjacent corners. For example, pick these 2 corners and see which 2 colors are common. in these two corners. So yellow is common, but you should not pick yellow because yellow is common in every other corner too. So you should pick other colors rather than yellow. So here you can see that blue and blue, these two are same. So in these two corners, blue is common. So now what you should do is bring these two corners to the top of the blue center. So for example, the blue center is here. So do a U move and a rotation so that these two corners are on the top of the blue center. So as done before, you have to check whether these corners are in the right position. So how you should check is pick a corner in these two, and in this corner there are yellow, orange and blue. After seeing this, I can say that this is not in the correct position because yellow is here, blue is here, but red is here, orange is here. So these two don't match. So this is not in the right position. So now check the other corner. Yellow, blue, red. But yellow is here, blue is here. Red is not here, orange is here. So this is not in the right position. So now we can say that these two corners are not in the right position. Now check the other two corners, these two. Now you can see that in this corner the colors are yellow, green and red. Yellow is here, green is here, red is here. So this is in the right position. This corner, yellow is here, green is here, orange is here. Yellow, green, orange. So these two are in the correct position and these two are not. So by seeing this, you can tell that this corner should come here and this corner should come here. So we have to swap these two. So to do so, hold these two swapping corners on the right side. So that one is here and the other is here. And hold the two solved corners in the left. So now after holding these two on the right, do the right ialic 3 times. So RU R prime U prime, this is 1 time, RU R prime U prime 2 times, RU R prime U prime 3 times. So now you can see that the cube is messed up, but we can fix it now. So after doing this, do a right side cube rotation. Be careful, you have to do a right side cube rotation only once and do the left ialic 3 times. L prime U prime L U 1 time, L prime U prime L U 2 times, L prime U prime L U. And now I have done it 3 times. After doing that, immediately choose 2 adjacent corners and see which color is common in those two. And here red is common. So now we have to bring this to the red centerpiece, top of the red centerpiece. So I have brought this to the top of the red centerpiece, and now I can see that orange, blue and red are yellow, blue and red are here, and yellow is correct, blue is correct and red. So this is in the right position. The next one, yellow, red and green. Yellow is here, red is here, green is here, right position. And the next one, yellow, green and orange, yellow, green and orange, right position. Yellow, orange and blue, yellow, orange and blue. So this is right position. And now we have finished permutating the yellow corners. In this permutating the corners, there is another case in which after you choose 2 adjacent corners and the common color and set them to the center, you can see that this does not match, this does not match. So you will see that whether the other two matches, and you can see that even this does not match, this does not match. So here none of the corners matches with anything. So now you have to hold the cube however you want, holding the yellow face on the top. You can hold it like this, this, this. And you have to do the right ial 3 times, same as before. 1, 2, 3. And again, carefully do a single right side rotation and do the left ial 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So after that, immediately choose 2 adjacent corners and check for common colors. And in this corners, there is no common colors except yellow. So take another 2 corners, and I took this, and in this blue is common. So take this 2 to the top of the blue center and now check if anything matches. So this doesn't match. this doesn't match, this matches, and this matches. So here these two match and these two don't match, so you have gone to the previous stage. So you have to swap these two corners so that this will go here and this will come here, and hold these two unsolved corners on the right side. Do the right L 3 times and do a one side right cube rotation. Do the left L 3 times. And again immediately pick two adjacent corners and check for a common color, and red is here. Bring this to the top of the red center and check if they are matching. This is matching, 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 and matching. So now you have learned to solve the second step in the last layer. So guys, I think you have now understood to solve the first two steps in the last layer. So please do like, share and comment if you have any doubts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon for more notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.